Are you maximizing the potential of castor oil on your stomach? While it's known for many things, there's a hidden treasure trove of surprising benefits you might be missing out on. In this video, we'll uncover 7 of those benefits and disclose some of the downsides as well. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to open your mind to the limitless possibilities of castor oil by the end of this video. Now let's tackle the big question on everyone's mind: weight loss. You've probably stumbled upon posts or videos featuring women boasting about shedding inches off their waistlines simply by applying a few drops of castor oil to their navels before bedtime. Naturally, you're curious, does this really work? So here's the deal with the whole castor oil on the belly trend. Some folks swear by it, claiming it's the secret sauce to trimming down those stubborn inches. The theory is that the oil gets absorbed through your skin and works its magic internally, somehow melting away fat cells. But hold up a sec. While there might be some anecdotal evidence floating around, there's not a ton of solid scientific research backing up these claims. Weight loss is a complex beast, and slapping on some oil probably isn't the magical fix-all. It might help with things like hydration and skin health, but expecting it to be the sole reason for dropping pounds might be a bit of a stretch. So, bottom line? It's worth a shot if you're curious, but don't go canceling your gym membership just yet. Alright, let's talk skin with our second benefit. So, slathering on some castor oil can definitely give your skin a moisture boost and help fade those pesky scars or stretch marks. It's like giving your skin a big old drink of water, super hydrating, and can leave your skin feeling moisturized and smooth. Because of its thick consistency, castor oil is easier to rub on your stomach if diluted with a carrier oil or body butter. But here's the flip side. If you're going ham with the castor oil all the time, it might end up clogging your pores and causing a breakout party on your skin. No one wants that. Plus, for some unlucky folks, it could lead to irritation or redness, which is definitely not the vibe we're going for. So, while castor oil can be a total skin superhero, just remember to use it in moderation and listen to what your skin's telling you. Balance is key, my friend. Alright, let's dive into number 3, the circulatory perks of castor oil. First up, we've got improved blood flow. Rubbing some castor oil into your belly button can work wonders for getting the blood pumping. Think of it like giving your circulation system a friendly nudge in the right direction. And when your blood's flowing smoothly, it can have all sorts of benefits, from boosting energy levels to helping your body heal faster. Now let's talk about those pesky varicose veins. You know, those squiggly lines that pop up on your legs and make you feel like you've got a roadmap on your skin? Well, turns out, massaging castor oil into your belly button might just be the ticket to easing their symptoms. By promoting better circulation, castor oil may help reduce the swelling and discomfort associated with varicose veins. But hey, as with anything, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While castor oil can be a great natural remedy for circulation issues, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you've got serious vein issues or underlying health conditions, it's always best to chat with your doc before diving headfirst into the castor oil pool. Now, let's talk about our next surprising benefit of rubbing castor oil on the stomach: digestive health. Castor oil might just be the unsung hero your tummy's been waiting for. Let's tackle the big one: constipation. If you're feeling a bit backed up, a little dab of castor oil could be just the thing to get things moving again. The warm and soothing effect of castor oil can help kickstart your bowel movements, giving you some much-needed relief and getting your digestive system back on track. But wait, there's more! Castor oil isn't just a one-trick pony when it comes to your gut. It's like a triple threat. Those fatty acids hanging out in castor oil are like a VIP pass for your gut flora, helping to keep things balanced and happy. You've got all these friendly bacteria chilling in your gut, doing their thing, and castor oil's like, hey, come on in, the water's fine. So, by keeping your gut environment in check, castor oil can help support a healthy and happy digestive system. But wait, there's still more. Castor oil might just be the gift that keeps on giving when it comes to your stomach. By regularly massaging it in, you're not just soothing your tummy, you're also potentially boosting its ability to absorb all those good nutrients from your food. It's like giving your stomach a little tune-up, making sure it's firing on all cylinders and getting the most out of every meal. A key thing to remember is that while castor oil can be a great tool for improving your digestive health, overdoing it might just send your stomach into a frenzy. So, listen to your body, start slow, and see how it goes. Your gut will thank you for it. Alright, let's talk detox. Castor oil might just be your liver's new best friend. First off, let's give a round of applause to your liver. As the captain of the body's detox squad, your liver is constantly working behind the scenes to filter out all the gunk and keep things running smoothly. But even your liver needs a little help sometimes, and that's where castor oil comes in. By applying castor oil to your stomach, you're giving your liver a little boost, helping it out with its detoxification duties and keeping it in tip-top shape. But that's not all. Castor oil isn't just a liver whisperer, it's also a lymphatic system cheerleader. Your lymphatic system supports the removal of toxins and nasties that your body doesn't need. But sometimes, things can get a little sluggish, and that's where castor oil comes in. By stimulating your lymphatic system, castor oil can help get things moving again, making sure all that waste gets cleared out efficiently and keeping your body running like a well-oiled machine. Keep in mind that you may end up feeling worse off than when you started with your detox routine. So start small, see how it goes, and give your liver and lymphatic system the love and support they deserve. Now let's kick back and talk relaxation, because who couldn't use a little more chill in their life, right? Next up, we've got the good old-fashioned therapeutic massage benefits of rubbing castor oil on the stomach. There's just something about the gentle touch of a massage that can work wonders for your mind and body. Am I right? And when you throw some castor oil into the mix, it's like adding a little extra oomph to the relaxation ritual. So whether you're treating yourself to a solo massage session or enlisting the help of a trusty sidekick like your partner or a professional masseuse, rubbing some castor oil onto your stomach can turn that tension into pure bliss. You didn't think that was all, did you? Castor oil isn't limited to one benefit when it comes to relaxation. Oh no, it's like the ultimate stress relief sidekick. By helping your body unwind and relax, castor oil can pave the way for some seriously sweet dreams. We're talking about the kind of deep, restorative sleep that leaves you feeling refreshed and ready to tackle whatever the day throws your way. So if you've been tossing and turning at night, tossing a little castor oil into your relaxation routine might just be the ticket to dreamland. Whether you're winding down after a long day or gearing up for a good night's sleep, just remember to listen to your body and do what feels right. If this video has sparked your interest and you're eager to explore DIY castor oil recipes for hair, nails, and skin, be sure to hop over to our next video. Don't forget to give this one a thumbs up if you found it valuable, and hit that subscribe button for more useful tips. Catch you in the next video!